Hey guys, this is Jared here to share a one and done trade here on CRZO. So let's dive right in. So what happened right at open? CRZO starts strong, tests this level, rejects it. So I'm already really interested. Then it busts through VWAP, the 9 MA, the 20 MA, and goes below the opening range of the first 5-minute candle. So I take it short. This is a perfect bearish engulfing crack setup here. Now my first partial right here makes more sense if you see the 1-minute chart. So I'm going to pull up the 1-minute chart right here. So my first partial right here is this is the 200 MA on the 1-minute chart here. So I took my first partial at the 1-minute 200 MA. Now the rest of my partials were all based on the 5-minute chart, so we're going to bring that right back here. There we go. All right. And I take my next partial right here. This is the 50 MA on the 5-minute chart. And my ultimate profit target was down here. And this purple line indicates the 50 MA for the daily chart. So my stop loss was going to be right above VWAP, so I'm risking this much for this much gain here. So I love the setup. I take my first partial here, which I like. My last partial is where I could have handled this trade better. I just got impatient. I knew I had had a great day. I do this a lot and I need to work on it. Where my last partial on winners, sometimes I'm not very, like if I have an initial profit target in mind of this 50 MA, I'm often, if I get to it or very near it, I'm really impatient with this last partial. And you can see I left 30 cents on the downside on the table by getting impatient here. And I knew all these were down here and I knew we had lots of negative momentum, so I knew it was a real possibility. So as far as room for improvement, do better on this last partial, but overall great trade, great day for me. I got over 1% of account equity, which is my daily profit target. It looked like a lot of the other people in the chat had great trades today as well, so that's always good to see, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the chat on Monday. Oop, just kidding, tomorrow on Tuesday. See you guys then.